If you are looking for a utility that can easily restore your emails in Office 365, then we would like to recommend Office 365 Backup and Restore tool. This software offers both backup and restore options. You need to select the restore option to restore OST and PST files in your Office 365 account. This restore software has the ability to restore single as well as multiple OST and PST files in Office 365. The prerequisites of the Office 365 Backup and Restore tool include: the software must be run as administrator when using Windows 10 and other earlier versions of Windows OS. You must be connected to the internet while using this software. Let's understand the working procedure of the Office 365 Backup and Restore tool. You have to follow these procedures to restore emails to your Office 365 account. First, download and install the Office 365 Backup and Restore software. Now, select the Restore option in the software window and hit Next. Then in the new window choose the Select File or Select Folder option to add OST or PST file which you want to restore in Office 365. Next, browse and select the email file which you want to restore and press the Open button. Now, your selected file will be shown in the new tab. Here hit the Next button to move ahead. Then in the new tab, you can preview your email content and its attachments. After that, click on the Next button. Now, a new dialog box will be opened. Here you need to fill login details of your Office 365 account. Next, assign impersonation rights and hit the Sign In button. In this tab, you can import CSV files of your desired Office 365 email it into your account. Here in the new tab, you see a list of admin and their mailbox user IDs of your Office 365 account. Now, your selected file will appear. Here, you need to click on the Next button. Select Restore option as Mailbox, Archive, or Public folder to which you want to restore your email file and hit Next. Now, check the Remove Duplicate box to avoid repetition of emails. Use the Mail and Task feature to filter specific emails. You can also use the custom folder name as per your choice. Next, check the box to restore to default folder and hit the Convert button to start the restore process. Now, wait for some minutes and let the tool restore your emails. You can view this restore process at the bottom. Then after some time, your file is restored and a log file is created. You can download this log file and use it for your future reference. Now, you can access your OST and PST email files into Office 365 accounts. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe the channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn.